one question that comes up a lot, whether the United States can overcome its long-term debt problem. The way I think about it is actually pretty simple. Every generation inherits something from the generation before it. Sometimes it's infrastructure, sometimes it's opportunity, and sometimes it's debt. Today, this generation has inherited an enormous amount of debt. The reality is that debt doesn't simply disappear. Eventually, it has to be dealt with. In most straightforward scenario, it's paid back in real terms, but that's easier said than done. Paying down debt means spending less you earn, and when an entire country has to do that, it can be extremely painful. Economic growth slows, spending falls, and difficult choices have to be made. At its core, there are two real ways to reduce excessive debt. You either increase what you earn or you reduce what you spend. The idea is simple. The execution is not. Increasing income means becoming more productive. It means building stronger industries, encouraging innovation, creating better jobs, and growing the economy faster than debt grows. Reducing spending requires discipline. It means consuming less, delaying gratification, and making difficult political, economical decisions that often are unpopular. In reality, most countries end up relying on a combination of both. They try to grow their way out of debt while also limiting spending where they can. But these aren't just financial decisions, they're cultural decisions, they're political decisions, and above all, they're long-term decisions. History shows us that countries willing to think beyond the election cycle generally put themselves in a much stronger position over time. That's why understanding debt cycles matters. They influence interest rates, they influence inflation, they influence investment markets, and ultimately they influence the opportunities available to all of us. It's one of the key macroeconomic themes we explore here at Clarion, because understanding the bigger picture helps us make better long-term decisions.